The control of a knee joint is tailored to the individual user based on the basic data entered. It is therefore important to enter accurate basic data in the connectgo.pro app so the knee joint functions as intended. The entered basic data also influence the alignment recommendation and a pre-configuration of the knee joint settings such as stance flexion resistance. Go through the basic data section step by step and thoroughly enter the user-specific parameters. If any prosthesis dimensions have changed during the fitting process, remember to update these values in the basic data section. Note that the user interface may vary depending on the knee joint version. Once the basic data have been entered, align the prosthesis and calibrate the knee joint.